Okay, well, hello, Internet. Good morning. It's a nice, crispy, cold morning out here. I'm inside, so that's nice. Getting ready to make some French press coffee, heating up some water right by my desk. Uh, Check this out. I got this may look like yogurt, low fat yogurt to you, but really what's in here are some, that's right, home roasted beans. Roasted them last night. So I'm gonna grind these up. Yeah, that's probably good. And then the good old grinder here. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Had a hard time sleeping last night, or I think I just woke up early. One of those nights, Had a dream. Had a dream that the first two videos on this channel reached. Guess how many views it reached? Well, leave your guess in the comment. Pause the video right now. I dreamed they had 14 million views. And I checked, and I think the second one has one view. I'm still super curious to see who viewed it. All right, so we're gonna let this bloom or something, swirl it around, you know, let it bloom for a little bit. But yeah, I just felt kind of inspired to make some coffee this morning. Got to go to work today. Um, maybe work on some fibonacci or something just for fun. But shoot, man, just for fun, or shoot, yo, just for fun. All right, I think a lot of the air has left the coffee grounds, so we are going to fill her up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Oh man, I'm so ready for coffee. It's just like, holy moly, it's one of those mornings. So ready for coffee. Put this over here. There we go. Okay. Put this over there. Beans. Oh, I'm gonna get coffee mug. I'll be right back. Coffee mug. Okay, so without further ado here, I noticed something as I was uploading a video to YouTube. Let's see, what was it even called? It was oh yeah, Meditations. Marcus Aurelius. It was at Gutenberg. Look, they have it. I didn't even realize they had the text file. I think it was just there, So it's all here. So we have like the first book, and then we have the second book. Yeah. I had like this vision, this dream, okay? It'd be so cool if somehow we could create a Fibonacci Mad Lib generator based on the words that are in this this book. Okay. Uh Something like that could be kind of fun to do. And we do it in C, so we learn how to use C, okay? So yeah, let's give this a shot. Okay. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's just Control A, Control C, copy the whole book here to our clipboard. And then, yeah, let's do this. Let's do create new text file. We're going to call this meditations marcus.txt. All right, and we're going to open it, and we're just going to Control V. Control S. Okay. Okay. Now we copied the book in, right? So that was kind of cool. We can do some fun stuff with that eventually. Now, before we open up the terminal, really, we need to do some coffee. We need some coffee. Okay. Terminal is when you get serious, all right? Just kidding. Oh, yeah. I've also got some rice cooking right now. Yeah, because I tried this new thing called curd. I think it's an Asian dish. I think predominantly in like India, Nepal, where you cook rice and you mash it up and then add yogurt. I add a little bit of honey too, and maybe a little warm water. And it's good. It's really good. Yeah. So let's try this coffee here. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yep. Okay, so let's pretty much use our terminal commands. So cd means change directory. Directory is kind of the same thing as like a folder. So if I do like create a folder here, we'll call it test folder. All right, watch this. We can actually find test folder. So remember when we did ls? That's just like list what's in the current directory. So even before we do that, how do we know what directory we're in? Just do pwd, print working directory. Boom, we're in pretty much my home folder for my user, Stojan. So if I ls in here, oh my gosh, look, here's all the folders in my home folder. So we made that directory on the desktop, right? So let's cd into desktop, and that's going to now take us to desktop. So if we do pwd again, we're no longer in just home Stojan, we're in home Stojan desktop. Now if we ls in here, bam, test folder. And look, we also even have the the executable for the Google Chrome app, which I think, like, let's see if we can do it like we did a.out. No, looks a little more complicated. What the heck? Oh, it's all in different languages. That's kind of cool. Like, we've got like maybe Hebrew. Wow, and it's right to left. I can't. Oh, or maybe not. Looks like we've got Sanskrit. Wow, I have no idea what that is. Maybe this is Korean. Okay, anyways, let's get back here. RM, careful with this one. Okay, it's just pretty much like wipe, delete everything. So you could get into some trouble with that. I have in the past. That's for sure. All right. Let's go to projects. Okay, so here's our stuff, Let's compile our Fibonacci and then execute our machine code. Okay, so we have a bunch of failures. Interesting. Okay. Let's go back to our tests. All right. Let's look at the first failure. Number 4. Okay. Fourth test failed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3 was not 2. 3 was not 2. Well, I want to know what 3 was. So printf %d new line. And then we're going to throw in final fib number. Let's try it again here. Okay, so first one was 0. Then we had 1. Then we had 1. Oh my gosh. Then we had 8, 16, 30. We just pretty much built 2048. Yeah, we're just doubling it every time is what's happening. Oh, shoot. We need to keep track of 2 numbers at a time. We need to be storing 2 numbers at a time. All right. Previous Fibonacci number. Okay, so let's actually go back here. And let's just try our algorithm here. Okay. Okay, so we have 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Oh. So we could say previous plus final equals some new number. But before we take that new number and throw it into final, we need to say previous equals final. So we'll say int next sequence number is equal to previous fib plus final fib. All right, that's a bit long, so we'll do that. And then previous equals final, and then final equals next sequence number. All right, let's try that. All right, and then we're also gonna comment that out. Oops. Oh, dang it. All right, what the heck happened? Okay, 0, 1, 1, 5, 8, 13, 20. Wow, we're doing some interesting sequences here. Not quite Fibonacci, but very interesting. Okay, well, you know, gotta get ready for work here pretty soon, so I think that should do it for today. Hope y'all enjoy some nice, some kind of hot drink if it's a cold day, or a cold drink if it's a cold day. If you like coffee, hope you're drinking some really good coffee, just like me. And yeah, until next time, Internet.